Okay, this is the second video about installation. This power tower is over 220 kilograms. That's about 500 pounds. So you are going to assemble this on site. Each of the components are being shipped independent of the case. You take the case on site and then you assemble the box. Now, once it's assembled, there is a startup procedure. The first thing you do is you take a metal rod, any kind, a screwdriver, any kind, and you put it into the restart. Okay, and let me go ahead and turn all these off. Okay, with all the batteries off, you push the button in on the restart until this light comes on and stays on. Hold it in there till that light comes on. Once it's on, they're ready to be set up. After that, and you do it with all three, after that, you turn each one on. After those three are on and they're all green lighted, that's when you turn on the inverter. First one is battery on. You see the battery on comes on. Second one is your AC input. Now the other important thing is that these come pre-programmed in Chinese, and so we changed the language to English by pressing this button. Okay. The fourth one, you'll see this in Chinese. You enter it again, you go down until you see English. Done. It's in English. Everything then is in English. So when you want to go into system info, alerts, system configuration, and language, now it's all in English. So you have to do that on setup too. The same exact thing with the power supply. As you can see, you have the language here. So it's going to be in Chinese. This I've already set up in English. So it's going to look like that. Sorry, it's going to look like that. So that's how this is going to look when it first comes. You press this button once. You go down to the fourth one. Hit enter. You'll see this is Chinese. Hit enter again. Down arrow for English. Enter. Now it's all in English. Same thing. System info, alert, configuration, and language. So that's the setup. That's to set it up once you have it all installed.